Are you looking for a quick way to make some cash? Well, get ready because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make $100 online. Hey everyone, it's Millionaire Advice here and welcome back to my channel where I show you how to make money online. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a method that can help you earn $100 in no time. It's perfect for those who need some extra cash fast or are looking for a way to start making money online. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first method is by taking online surveys. There are many companies that pay you for your opinions and feedback on various products and services. You can sign up for free and start taking surveys right away. The second method is to sell your unused items online. You can use platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace to sell your old clothes, electronics, or anything you no longer need. The third method is to find online gigs. There are many websites like Fiverr or Upwork where you can find small freelance jobs like writing, designing, or social media management. The fourth method is online tutoring. You can teach a language or a skill you have to others and get paid for it. Websites like TutorMe or Chegg can help you get started. The fifth and final method is online investing. You can start by investing a small amount of money into stocks, cryptocurrency, or other investment opportunities. Make sure you do your research before investing. So there you have it. 5 ways to make $100 fast online. Remember, these methods are not get-rich-quick schemes, but they can help you make some extra cash when you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on making money online.